Most people don't fail in business because they lack ideas. They fail because they choose the wrong business or never choose one at all. Every day, new videos promise the best business ideas or the next big opportunity. But by the time most of those videos are published, millions of people are already chasing the exact same ideas. Instead of giving you clarity, they leave you with even more confusion. So, today we are doing something different. We're LifeWise, and our mission is to help ordinary people build real businesses with practical strategies, not hype, not overnight success, and not unrealistic promises. We reviewed dozens of business models and narrowed them down to 7 businesses that are still realistic to start in 2026, even if you're starting from zero, and make sure you stay until the end. Because the last business on this list isn't just another way to make money. It has the potential to open more doors than any other business we'll cover today. By the end of this video, you'll know which business fits your skills, your goals, and your situation, and exactly how to take your first step. Let's get started. One of the fastest ways to make your first money isn't creating a product, it's solving someone else's problem. Think about what you already know how to do. Graphic design, video editing, writing, photography, tutoring, cooking, social media, or even helping local businesses answer emails or organize their schedule. People don't pay for your skill. They pay for the result it gives them. Start with one service, one client, and one success story. As you gain experience, you can increase your prices, specialize in a niche, build a small team, or even turn your service into an agency. Every successful business starts by creating value for someone else. This is one of the simplest ways to do exactly that. Selling your time is one of the fastest ways to make your first money, but eventually your income becomes limited by the number of hours you can work. So what if you could create something once and sell it again and again? That's the power of digital products. They can be templates, ebooks, planners, checklists, spreadsheets, guides, digital art, printables, or online courses. The biggest advantage? There's no inventory, no shipping, and no manufacturing costs. Once it's created, you can sell it over and over again. Of course, creating a great product takes time, but if it solves a real problem, it can continue generating income long after you've finished making it. The best digital products usually come from your own knowledge, experience, or skills, not from trying to copy what's already popular. Digital products aren't the only thing people buy online. If you'd rather build a business around physical products, the next idea might be a better fit. You don't have to invent the new product to build a successful business. Sometimes you simply need to sell the right product to the right people. Today, you can start an online store with handmade products, private label products, or even by reselling products you believe in. You can sell through your own website or marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or Shopify. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to sell everything. Instead, focus on one niche and solve one specific problem. Whether it's home organization, pet accessories, fitness equipment, personalized gifts, or eco-friendly products, people buy products that improve their lives. Start small. Test demand. Listen to customer feedback. Then improve and expand as you grow. Many successful e-commerce brands started with just one product. Not every successful business starts online. Some of the most profitable businesses begin right in your own neighborhood. Many people overlook local businesses because they don't seem exciting, but that's exactly why there's still so much opportunity. Cleaning, car detailing, pet sitting, lawn care, photography, home organization, event planning, or helping elderly people with technology. These businesses solve real problems that people already have. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need expensive equipment. And in many cases, you don't even need a website to find your first clients. Start with one customer. Deliver an amazing experience. Ask for referrals. Then repeat the process. As demand grows, you can raise your prices. Hire a team, expand your services, and eventually build a real company. Some people prefer selling products. Others build businesses by sharing what they already know. You don't need to know everything to teach something. You simply need to know more than the person you're helping. Maybe you've learned a new language, mastered Excel, passed an important exam, become great at cooking, learned photography, or developed a valuable professional skill. People don't just pay for information, they pay to save time, avoid mistakes, and get better results faster. You can teach through one-on-one coaching, workshops, online courses, group programs, memberships, or even free content that leads to paid products. The more trust you build, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your business. Teaching isn't about being perfect, it's about helping someone get to where you've already been. But what if you don't want to create your own product or teach at all? You can still build a business by helping people discover products they already want. Affiliate marketing isn't about spamming links on the internet. At its best, it's about making recommendations people can trust. If you genuinely use a product, a book, a software tool, or a service that solves a real problem, you can recommend it and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. The best part? You don't create the product, you don't handle inventory, and you don't provide customer support. Your job is to help people make better decisions. Many bloggers, YouTubers, newsletter creators, and niche websites use affiliate marketing as one of several income streams, not the entire business. The more trust you build, the more valuable your recommendations become. And finally, if you're looking for one business that can open the most doors in the future, if your goal isn't just to make money, but to build a long-term business, this may be the strongest option on this list. Not because it's the easiest, but because every piece of content you create has the potential to open another door, a new partnership, a new opportunity, or even an entirely new business. At first glance, social media and content creation seem completely overcrowded. Millions of videos, articles, newsletters, and social media posts are published every single day. So why would anyone pay attention to yours? Because people aren't looking for more content, they're looking for better content. Real experience, unique perspectives, authentic stories, and practical solutions to real problems. That's something AI still can't replace. Today, content creation is much more than writing blog posts or making YouTube videos. It includes newsletters, podcasts, social media, and even UGC, user-generated content. Many creators earn money producing lifestyle videos, product demonstrations, recipes, travel content, photography, fashion content, or honest product reviews for brands. You don't need millions of followers to get started. Many creators begin with barter collaborations, receiving free products in exchange for content. As they gain experience, brands start paying them for every video, photo, or campaign they create. Some keep it as a flexible side income, others turn it into a full-time business. But here's the part many people don't realize. Content isn't just another business, it's a foundation for almost every other business we've talked about today. It helps you build trust, attract customers, sell services, launch digital products, grow an online store, teach what you know, promote affiliate products, and eventually build an entire brand around your expertise. That's why if we had to start all over again today, this is where we'd begin. Let's quickly recap. Today we've covered 7 businesses you can realistically start in 2026, even if you're starting from zero. The truth is, there isn't one perfect business. The best business is the one you'll actually start. Every successful entrepreneur began with uncertainty. They didn't wait until they felt ready. They took the first step and improved along the way. Now it's your turn. If you're not sure which business is right for you, or you're wondering what to do after choosing one, we've created a free business starter kit to help you take your first steps. Inside, you'll find practical checklists, planning worksheets, and simple tools to help you move from an idea to action. You can download it for free using the link in the description. And if you'd like a complete step-by-step guide to building your first online business, our book, Start Your First Online Business, is currently available on Amazon at a special promotional price. You'll find that link in the description as well. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you gave it a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us create more free content like this and reach more future entrepreneurs. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 businesses would you choose and why? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.